In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to create a Google Drive link for photos. So to create a Google Drive link for photos, it's a very simple steps. You have to go ahead and open up your link. You have to open up your Drive. So go ahead and type in Google Drive. Or you could just go ahead and type in drive.google.com and you just have to go to login into your account. When you're logged into your Drive, then what you can do is you could go ahead and select the photos, or let's say you could go ahead and select it from the types. So go to photos and images. So as you can see, this is the one. So if I want to go ahead and create a link, I'll just go ahead and select the photo. If you have multiple, you could do that, or select multiple as well, and tap the three dot icon next to it. And right on this page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select share. As you press on the share button, then you should be able to see this option as copy link. So as you can see, you've successfully copied the link. Now you could go ahead and share it on any other platform, or copy the link and you should be able to access the particular photo. So that is how you can create a Google Drive link for photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.